I may have just found the best wash day routine for low porosity natural hair. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hi. Thank you so much for stopping by. So this is my hair dry. I took it down from cornrows I had for about 2 weeks because I always have my hair in cornrows when they're not in any particular style. The first step I'm going to do is to drench and soak my natural hair in water. Yes, if you have low porosity natural hair, before you wash your hair, make sure your hair is thoroughly soaked in water. This is a very necessary step, especially when you're trying to wash your natural hair. I'm going to section my hair because I still wash my hair in sections. I feel like there's just something about washing your hair in section that has been inbuilt in us. I don't know if you're part of that crew or you are just someone who will just wash your hair once in one part and that's it. For me, I do like to section my hair most of the time. Anyways, I'm just soaking my hair in water and stretching it out as much as I can, and I'm going to go in with the first shampoo, which is the As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Olive Oil, Olive Tea Tree Oil Dandruff Shampoo. For this shampoo, I try to focus directly on my scalp. I use it mostly on my scalp because it's a dry and itchy shampoo. So I'm guessing it's supposed to help dry and itchy scalp. I think that was one of the main reasons I got it. I know the brand, or I've seen the brand. I guess it's good, but this particular shampoo is what I have used on my scalp for the past 3 washes, and I would say it actually does help. Does it stop my hair from having the dry scalp for a longer period of time? I don't think so, because I still see dry scalp, but whenever I wash my hair, I can feel like the cleanliness of my scalp. So I think this is one of the reasons why I love this product, this particular product. Whenever I run out of it, I'm going to order more. Anyways, that's it. I'm going to shampoo my hair, make sure I focus mostly on my scalp. Then I'm also going to go in with my scalp massager and also massage my scalp just for, you know, increased blood flow and ease. I also try to use my fingers, to the tip of my fingers, to massage my scalp as well. That way it's just like cleaning and massaging at the same time. Next shampoo I'm going to go in with is this Sunny Isle Tea Tree Shampoo Hydrating and Conditioning Shampoo. So for this one, I am going to focus more on my hair strands because that's what I want to moisturize. I'm not trying to, you know, condition or hydrate. Yes, I would love to hydrate my scalp as well, but I think for this shampoo I focus more on my hair strands. As you can see, this one forms faster and easier. I don't know if it's because my hair is a bit cleaner while using this one, and with the previous shampoo my hair was, you know, not as clean as it is here. So I use that all over my hair. I still use my scalp massaging thingy to massage my scalp as well, just because I just feel it's a tradition for me when I'm washing my hair. There are just these things I do when I wash my hair, or routines I'm trying to create for myself when I wash my hair, that I do in every wash day. And using the scalp massager is something I always do. What do you guys do when you wash your hair? Let me know in the comment section below, because I am curious. For me, I think it's sectioning my hair and using the scalp massager every single time. So I'm just showing you guys my hair. This is what it looks like. The bounce is coming in. The next thing I'm going to use is the Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask by Meal. I don't know how to pronounce this brand's name. Meal. Anyways, I also add my Ayurveda oil mix in this conditioner. I don't know why I do it or why I did it in this particular wash day. This is the first time I'm doing it, and I think I'm going to continue doing it because I felt, since I don't really use the Ayurveda oil on my scalp on a normal day, like to moisturize my hair on a normal day, because I don't really like the smell per se, so I'll rather use it on my wash day. So I think I'm going to be adding that in my deep conditioner, since I'm going to add it, or since I'm going to, cover my hair, and the heat is going to allow the Ayurveda oils, get into my scalp. So I'm going to be doing that. That's something new I'm going to start. So this is my hair before my battery died, and this is me after waiting for about 20 to 30 minutes with my hair wrapped in this towel and the plastic bag. Guys, I bought plastic caps for deep conditioning my hair. I don't know where they disappeared to on this day. I just went to the kitchen and got me some plastic bags. If you guys know what I'm talking about. We always have that plastic bag that has the rest of the plastic bag. I know you have it. Don't lie. Anyways, the first thing I do after taking out the plastic wrap is I try to finger detangle first before going in with a white tooth comb, and then I go in with my tangle teaser.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know how much I need you. 'Cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know how much I love you. 'Cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone.
I love to also use the clap method. I don't know where I put my hands together and stretch it out in the water. I love to use that method when I'm rinsing out my deep conditioner, just so it still keeps my hair stretched. I know, but this is what my hair is looking like. It's really looking moisturized, really looking clean and washed, and just healthy. And that's the aim for my hair this year. I really want my hair to be healthy, and this was the shed hair. I try as much as possible to only detangle my hair after deep conditioner. I don't detangle it before washing it or anything. I just finger detangle most of the time. However, I don't do so much detangling because I'm trying not to have so much shed hair. This is my hair. This is the bounce from using the two shampoos and the deep conditioner. Now it's time to moisturize my hair. I first start off with the leave-in. This leave-in is quite tricky. You have to massage it into your hair, and that's one of the reasons why I would say I like it, because it gives me time to actually make sure most of my hair strands get or feel the leave-in conditioner, because sometimes you can be moisturizing your hair and nothing is getting in the middle. Okay, so I'm using this sulfur 8. Yeah, if you know, you know. I got it from Nigeria. I just felt I'm tired of having dry scalp, so I'm doing everything in my power to see how I can, stop the dry scalp. I've dealt with dry scalp for so long. I think at this point I'm tired, so I got that for the dry scalp. So I'm going to see how it works. I'm recording this like 2 weeks after. I didn't notice any difference with my scalp, being dry, because I've been busy in March, so I didn't wash my hair. And when I tell you the dry scalp is there, it's there. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to put my hair in braids, and I'm going to do that to the rest of my hair, and that will be the end of this video. So this is basically my wash day, and I also add this rosemary oil. I'm sure it was very popular at a particular time. I am just getting my hands on it, and I would use it and see if there's any difference. So this is what my hair looks like after my wash day. I put my hair in braids just because when I want to style my hair, it's stretched out. So that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye everyone.